I'm Coast and this is Lessons from the Coast. Today I'm going to be showing you a video on how to make delicious grilled pork chops. So first you're going to start off by doing a bit of garlic powder, not too much. This gives it a good flavor. Then you're gonna want to add some salt into it. Not too much salt, but you want it to be coarse salt because that's gonna season it a good bit better. And now I'm gonna add in some black pepper. If you do it like how I'm doing it, crunching it up like this, it really gives out more flavor than if it's already really small and already grounded up. And now I'm just gonna sprinkle on some cayenne pepper, not too much because this stuff is really spicy. And now once you've gotten all this stuff, you just want to rub it in good, not too hard, but you just want to rub it in. So now what you're going to do is you're just going to flip over all the pork chops and put on all of the same seasonings. So the charcoal grill just got ready. If you want to see how to start a charcoal grill, I'll put a link in the description for that. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to put the grate that you're going to be cooking the food on so that the coals can heat up the grate and get it hot. To do that, you're just going to put the top on the grill and then put the holes on the far side away from the coals. Okay, so the grates are heated up, and I just got a metal sponge and I scraped it off to clean it off. And then you could also buy like things at Walmart or places that are actually like grate cleaners, but that's all we have, but it'll still work. And now you're just gonna lay your pork chop on the coals, and you want to do it on the direct heat side, not the indirect. And then you're just gonna leave this on there for about 4 minutes, and then I'll show you what to do after that. Okay, so they've just finished cooking for about 4 minutes, and now you're just gonna get them and then flip them onto the other side. Okay, so these just went for another 4 minutes, and now I'm just gonna get them and move them onto the indirect heat side. And then once I do this, I'm going to leave them in there for 5 more minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and so now these are ready for me to get them up. They're completely cooked now. If they are a little bit pink, it's fine, because unlike chicken, it's fine if it's a little bit pink.